Hey guys, I'm Giselle and I'm here to do Documents Makeup Challenge. My look for today, ta-da! I'm just gonna start with this simple thing. Next, I take this aloe vera cream. Also, never forget about your neck. So I'm gonna take some Olivule, some BB cream. I'm gonna mix them together. Just gonna rub it in on these points. Okay. Now we're just gonna take it across the eyes. And then I also just go above. Take this and we're just gonna dab. Rub it in like this. You just rub up and then soften the edge. Next. Okay. Just gonna do that. Alright, let's just go in. Then we're gonna get some Charlotte Tilbury. So we're just gonna go across here, around, but yeah, and then I go under the eyes. And don't forget, I think now we just get into it. Got this from Pat. Love you, Pat, if you're watching this. But this is the darkest one. What I was thinking is I'm gonna do the dark colour. It's called Belgian Black. So that's the base. Now we go for the lines. They're very triangle-like. Bottom, done. Now, the next lines are really thin and like... Yay! First eye done! And then, guess what I brought? So she has some diamonds on her eyes, so ta-da! Okay. Wow, actually it's kind of cool. Yay! Okay, and then I looked at the picture. She doesn't have any mascara on the bottom, but I think she has really thick mascara on the top. So I've got Pat's and Marc Jacobs. I'm going to start with Pat. Now we're going to go over with the Marc Jacobs. Done! Okay, ready? What are we thinking? Thank you, Document, for letting me do this makeup challenge, and I hope everyone's safe and staying at home. And yeah, bye guys.